Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna practice cursive handwriting, focusing on two letters, the lowercase letter I and the lowercase letter T. You can join me if you want. Just make sure you have your lined paper, a pen or pencil, and that you're sitting comfortably. And also, you can download the practice sheet from my Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the description below the video. Okay, let's start. I usually start my writing by warming up my hand, and I do it by drawing some straight lines from up to down and reverse. I'm not forcing, keep it light and smooth. Another practice is some small curves that we use in cursive handwriting. I start at the baseline and go all the way up to the first line. Alright, and another one is drawing some round shapes, like small circles between the lines. I try to keep the size, the height, and spacing the same, and reverse. If your circles are like these, it means you're going too fast. Alright, let's go to write some eyes. Watch first. Again. I place the pen on the baseline and I go up at like 45 degrees and go tangent to this diagonal line at 60 degrees, okay? Again, I start at the baseline and go tangent to this diagonal line at the first line, okay? Then I reverse back. Let me change my pen to a different color. I reverse back to the baseline and then I draw an exit stroke to the right and point it toward up, okay? And the dot sits between these two lines. Okay, so let's write it again. Up, down, exit, dot. Okay. Up, down, exit, dot. You should pay attention to the small triangle here. It shouldn't be too big or too small. Also the dot should sit between these two lines. It's best to be at the middle point, and also the exit stroke should be pointed to the top. Okay, so if I write the I this way, this is not ideal because the space here is too big and is too rounded. We don't want this. Or we don't like this one because you have a huge triangle here. This is not good. Okay, now let's move on to the lowercase letter T. Letter T is almost the letter I, but it is a little bit taller. Cross. Just go like the letter I, go to the middle point here between these two lines, go up to the middle point, and then reverse back and exit the stroke. And the cross goes just a little bit above the first line and below the top of the T. Okay. A good exit stroke helps you to write the next letter naturally. For example, watch me writing the word it. Did you see? A good exit stroke at the right angle, I mean at the same angle when you start writing, okay? This one, and this one, and this one, all of them should be at the same angle. A good exit stroke helps you write the next letter naturally and connect them to each other. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel. To the next video. Thank you.